Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to withdraw from Coinbase to bank account. It's an easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Coinbase application, and once you log in, you will end up over here. At the top left corner, you will find some dots. What you can do, just click on that option and you will see all those options over here. We have buy, sell, send, receive, convert, add cash, and the last one is cash out. You just need to click on that option, and here we are going to enter the amount we want to cash out or withdraw, right? So let's say if I want to cash out 50 euro, and we have an option for add a payment method. Just click on this option and you will see something like this. Here you can see we have Euro bank account. Obviously this is my account from Europe, so that's why it's showing up like this. And the other option is credit card and debit card. So if you click on Euro bank account, it would take you to the page where you can easily enter the details of your bank account. Once you enter the bank account details, you will need to come back over here and you will see your bank account over here. After that, you just need to click on preview cash out, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to withdraw from Coinbase to your bank account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.